Hi and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this exciting episode my car is too low for car amps and more cable ties save the day. So the other day I was driving my car down a flooded road, taking it nice and easy, making sure, because I've got one of these hybrid cars and I didn't want to have problems with the electrics. It's all up high, so as long as you just gently wade through, it's no problem. But there must have been some accident damage to the car before, and this piece of plastic on the front had hopped down and was rubbing on the floor. So this is a video of me fixing that fault, finding out what I found out, and luckily for me I took some cable ties with the trick last week. I thought to myself, I know. So then I hit a new problem, and my car's too low to get up onto car ramps. Well, I thought to myself I'd just do a short little video to show you how self-leveling blocks can aid you into getting up onto car ramps without damaging your vehicle. So this here, let's try you longer. This here should go all the way round, all the way to here, and it should peg in here, which of course it isn't, and also here, but hey. So what I've done is I've drilled a hole here and here. This is where this hole here is where a peg, which is one of these pegs, should be in here. It's missing. So anyway, I have some self-drilling self-tappers, a bit long, but there's nothing behind here, so I don't have any trouble. I put this in the vise. It's a cable tie, as you can see, just like this one. Drilled 2 holes with the drill screw, so it's all ready to go. And also I've already got to try and get them in the centre. And I've already drilled 2 holes here. So I'll just put it through. Now they're only plastic bumpers, so this is really easy to be stripped, so you only want to put it up so it's just. I have a tremor, so this is extremely difficult for me. You'll find it a lot easier. There we go. Get them on. Where are you? There it goes. And if you want to, you could always put a block of wood behind the other side. Still able to move. As you can see, it's still all able to flex, but it's holding everything in fairly firmly. And I'm really happy with it. I've just got to cut this off here and here. So I don't have any wire cutters to hand, so these will do. Plastic's pretty resilient stuff. There we go. And there you go. See, a little bit loose here, but that's all right. It's pegged in with here. There's a nut and bolt on this bit here, nut and bolt on that. It's fairly secure. You see, and now it's giving it a bit of rigidity. We'll see how well it goes.
So get a crack, drill 2 holes, thread a cable tie through it. Sometimes it can be difficult. And here was all ripped. So go back. So that's all ripped all the way out to here. So all we did was took various cable ties and stitched them back. This was the same. The rip starts here, goes all the way down, and as you can see, cable tied it all the way out.
Thanks for watching my channel. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. It's completely free.